Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be going over settings right here in TickTick. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're going to be going over settings right here in TickTick. So let's get to it, okay? So if you look here, I have TickTick opened up here for the web. And you're probably wondering, where is the settings area? Wonder, where could it be? Oh, there it is. It's right over here. See my name? You click on that. And of course, obviously, if you're signed in to TickTick, you're not going to have one that says Jerry Lee. Unless you happen to be Jerry Lee. It'll probably have your name. But anywho, you just click on it and go here to settings. Inside of settings, you will see many different options, okay? You're going to have account and security area, premium count. I'm not going to show you all that for obvious reasons. You're going to have, say, themes that you can do. You can kind of change the color, kind of change the background of your TickTick. You can do all kinds of cool little preferences like that, right? And in the preference area, you have different things like, I use the habit section of TickTick, so I have that turned on. But you don't have to. You can have it turned off. And be honest with you, I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not. But you also have a promo timer you can turn on. I don't use it. And the mini calendar. I don't see any point in the mini calendar, but that's probably just me. So then, of course, you have the date and time section here, right? You have the reminder section that you can customize. Your smart recognition section you can customize, and task defaults you can customize, okay? If you go here to features, all this is, so look here. When you have the preferences here and you see how this is all indented in, well, I just went through it all by scrolling, but if you want to click on each individual area, you can just click on those as well. Then I also got smart lists right here. And I can either hide my smart list or show it or do whatever I want. Maybe I have it auto selectable, so when something's assigned to me, it shows up in my smart list. I also have a backup and import section. And here is, by the way, if you're coming over from Todoist or maybe some other to-do list manager, you can import that from them and get all your tasks from there and come over. So if you're like, man, I would like to do this TickTick, but man, I got so many tasks and all my reoccurring stuff over there in Todoist or whatever, and man, I just have to set all that back up. Well, it makes it really easy when you can just import from those to-do lists, and it comes right on over, and there's a little modification you have to do, but it ain't as bad as re-entering everything, that's for sure, because that's what I did. I just hit the import from a Todoist account, and it just came right on over. So I say that backup and import section is really helpful, and I do also generate a backup every once in a while just to have my stuff backed up, okay? Now you also have a calendar and mail section here where you can do different kinds of things when you want to add your Google Calendar to this. You also have templates that you can create, and you get shortcuts area where you can see what the shortcuts is to do things in. And then of course you have an about section which you can check out their user guide and help center, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, right? So this is kind of some of the cool things that are inside of the settings that you can utilize to make TickTick work a little bit more customized for you. So I know this was a short video. I hope you all got something out of this. And if you did, and you like this video, please click that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of my videos in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.